Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're going to discuss what fertilizers we are using in our container garden in 2024. There are many options to choose from synthetic to organic to just using compost. There are plenty of choices out there. This year we're going to use the Biotone Starter Fertilizer using some Burpee organic blood meal, some chicken poo organic tomato and vegetable. All these are granulars and break down over time. And for the liquid fertilizer, we're going to use the AgroThrive general purpose liquid fertilizer. For the Biotone starter, we use that when we first put out our seed starts. You dig a hole, you put a handful in the bottom, plant your vegetable, cover it over, give it a good watering, and this will give it a good kickstart to prevent any, let's say, shock or transplant shock. This is a 4-4-3, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So it's a pretty well-balanced starter fertilizer. For some of our older beds and containers, we decided to throw in a handful of also blood meal. Blood meal is a 1200, so it's pure nitrogen. So those leafy vegetables and leafy greens that pull all the nitrogen out of your soil, this will give it another good kickstart. As the season goes along, we're going to use the chicken poo, which can be purchased at Menards, and use that every month per the instructions. And it's a natural slow release nitrogen formula. That's a 3-6-4. So it doesn't get too heavy in the nitrogen, so you'll have good roots and good fruit production. And every 2 weeks as we water, we're going to use the AgroThrive general purpose liquid fertilizer. Where these other ones are slow release and take weeks to months to break down so the plants can take it up, the liquid fertilizers are instantaneous. As you water it in, it's available to the plants, and it will start giving them a quick boost of nutrients. So this is what we're using in our containers in 2024. Again, we're going to see how well this goes. Most all are going to be the same out there. Just depends on what brand you like most, what brand is available in your area. And please let us know what you've used in the past, and if you have any questions on how things are going, and we'll give you an update as our plants progress.